Now we are going to discuss about the GDP per capita and the GNI per capita. This topic we are going to discuss. Okay, so GDP per capita and GNI per capita, it is again very simple topic only. Usually they will be asking question in a paper 2 and paper 3. Okay, so and there is a possibility of in the paper 1 also, that how they may ask question in the paper 1, that also I'll explain. See, the first thing is, you know how to calculate the real GDP. You know how to calculate the real GNI. Okay, real GNI, you need to use GDP plus net income from abroad. Okay, so what we need to use, base year price, current year output in the real GDP calculation. Meanwhile, nominal GDP calculation, current year price, current year output. That is the way, and we'll move on quickly. So look at, they will be asking question like, you need to calculate real GDP per capita and real GNI per capita. That's it. Okay. One second. I'll show you one example. So real GDP per capita, GNI per capita means technically average income of the citizen. So how we can calculate? No, see, use this formula, like a GDP, real GDP per capita equal to real GDP per capita equal to real GDP. See, look at, real GDP per capita equal to real GDP upon population. So you will be having a GDP data and the population data. You just divide this real GDP by population, you will get GDP per capita. Okay, this is very simple, again simple and basic mathematics calculation. And similarly, you know that here it will be like a real GNI per capita, the same thing, same way. So what you need to do, you have to use GNI, real GNI upon population, and you know how to calculate these two or not. Okay, that's it in the calculation part of. Just look at this example, then you will easily understand what is the meaning of. I mean, how to calculate the GDP per capita and the GNI per capita. And one more thing is, in the syllabus, what they have given, no? Say, look at here, they have given like a GNI or GDP per person, like a at purchasing power parity, like a purchase PPP model, purchasing power parity. So what does it mean? No, like there are multiple currencies are there in the world, and each currency value is different. So all these things and all, everything, it will be used in a common currency in terms of dollars. See, then it will be easy. Like, see, for example, here I have given example. See, all the national currencies into US dollar by using of the purchasing power parities. The fact is, the why we need to go for the common currency or single currency, to eliminate the influence of price differences. So because each country, there is a different currencies, and those currencies, I mean, the price level is varying. But when we are using a common currency, then we can easily eliminate the price differences. That is the reason we are going for the triple P model, purchasing power parity model. Okay, thank you.